Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a Python game implemented using Python GUI and Tkinter library. Before moving on to the code, I'll show you how the GUI looks like. So there's a ball coming from the top and there are two buttons which are used to control the bar, the yellow bar. And the user's goal is to just make the ball fall into the correct bar. And if the user manages to make the ball fall into the correct place, then the points are increased by 10. And the arrow buttons are used to just control the bar. And if the user fails to land the ball into the bar, then a window is appeared where the game score is displayed, and there are two buttons called play again and exit. Now I'll show you how the code works. First, we define the main window of our game using the tick in the class, and we set the title of the game to catch the ball game and make it non-resizable. Then we create a canvas using the Tkinter canvas class. Describe the global variables limit, which is the vertical distance traveled by the ball, and distance is the horizontal distance from the x-axis, and score is the score of the user. Then we have two main elements for the game, that is the ball and the bar. We have this is the ball which is falling from the top, and we have a bar which is used to make the ball fall in the correct place. So the ball class has a move ball method which handles the movement of the ball. It uses the move method to move the ball vertically by incrementing its y coordinate. In the output, we can see that the y coordinate of the ball is increased each time. So you have to move the ball according to the y coordinate. That's why we use that move method and its y coordinate to move the ball. And also here we use the after method. After method is used to continuously call the move ball method recursively every 10 milliseconds. After every successful catch of the ball should continuously call the move ball function so that the illusion of the continuous movement is given. The bar class also has a move bar method that allows the player to move the bar horizontally. It uses the move method of the canvas to change the x coordinates of the bar, giving the impression of the movement. We have a ball set function, which is used to define the dimensions of the ball. Then a scoreboard function for describing the scoreboard for the user at the end of the game. Then a play again function to call the main function again and again when the user presses the play again button. Then an exit handle function which destroys both the root, and a main function where we create the instance of the bar class where we set up the buttons for moving the bar and call the function to initialize the ball's position. So overall the game is very simple. We have to just place two buttons at the bottom of the GUI window, and we have to keep a yellow bar which is moved along its x coordinates, and we have to keep a red ball falling in from the top randomly. Each time the ball hits the bar successfully, the points of the user is increased, and each time the ball falls incorrectly onto the bar or just falls to the ground, a window is appeared where we display the score of the user, and there are two buttons for play again and exit. So that's it everyone. I hope you all like the video, and do share your opinions in the comment section below. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.